Hey there, have you ever had a lengthy document or several documents where your client or boss needs you to change a word, such as a section title, update an email, address, or anything that would take hours of combing through paragraphs and pages to change? I'm going to show you how in a few easy steps you can change any wording throughout one or several documents in seconds. In this example, I have a real estate newsletter where each agent has their own customized newsletter. I have to update this specific title on each document. So instead of going document by document, we can do it all together. So first you're going to start off by opening all the documents that you want to have changed. There's a few ways to do this. We can right click and select Find/Change or Control F, or we can go to Edit and scroll down to Find/Change. This is going to take you to a dialog box. From here, you can copy and paste your original text or the text that needs to be changed under Find What, and under Change To, type in the new or updated text. In this case, I'm going to type "What our clients say." And here's where the magic begins. Now, under the search section or the drop-down box, you can select several options. You can just change that one selection, or you can change anything that says client testimonials throughout all your documents or just one document. So in this case, we're going to click All Documents and just click Change All. It's going to tell you exactly how many were replaced. So in this case, there was 14 titles, and click Done. Now, when you go to each document, you can see that where it used to say client testimonials, it now says "What our clients say." Now, the neat thing about this is that it will change your text according to the paragraph style or character style. So for example, if you have client testimonials written on your page titles and also somewhere else throughout the documents in a different character style, it will update it in the same style, if that makes sense. This can also be useful if a company updates an email address, a phone number, address, or even the spelling of a word, which I just realized this page needs a typo change. But either way, it's a really useful tool to save you tons of time and will seamlessly change anything you need throughout a lengthy document or several documents in just seconds. Thank you for watching.